So this is a model of a smart home security system where we are having a password protected door, and also we are having fire alarm or gas alarm or any kind of smoke or gas it can detect. So now I'm going to simulate this. So as you can see on the LCD, so now we need to enter the password. So we are going to enter. So we have set the password of 4 digit, and here we have another security feature like the fourth digit of the password. We will not be displaying that for the security purpose. So now you see the door is open, and we have kept the open time of door as 15 seconds. So this is servo motor, which controls the knob of the door, which opens and closes as per the command we give to it, and this controls the knob of the door. Like if you enter the wrong password, we have like this secret. It will just display the wrong password, and it will again ask the correct password. So this is about the door, and we have sensors which function like. So this is how the uh, gas alarm functions. It detects the gas or the smoke, and the frequency of the alarm depends on the quantity of the smoke. Like we have different frequencies for different range of the smoke or the gas it detects. Similarly, the temperature sensor we have. In case of fire, it can be very useful. So for different range of temperature, it will also have the different range of frequency of sound. So this way we can like have the idea of the intensity of, like if there is fire, then we have the idea of intensity of fire, or if there is any LPG leakage, then we can detect that in this way. So this is all about this smart home security feature. Thank you.